Alright, this is Steve with Apex Home Inspections, and today is Wednesday, September 19th, 2018, and we are at 6905 Northeast 7th Avenue in Portland, and we're here today to do an inspection of the sewer line. As you can see, we're outside the house. It's our front door here. Our sewer line access point, or our cleanout, is right here next to our gas main. So let's go ahead and drop our camera in there and see if we can't get things pointed in the right direction. There we are. Now that we're inside the line, we're going to zero off our counter in the upper right hand corner of our screen, and that way we'll know just how far we've gone. Before we go too far, we'll make a note that here at about 3 feet into the sewer inspection, we are transitioning from the cast iron line that is under the house to this concrete line, which also happens to be a little bit larger, going from a 4-inch line to what appears to be a 6-inch line. Let's go ahead and continue on. Couple of quick notes. This home was built in 1955, and we are in a neighborhood of homes that were built at mixed eras, mixed times. Some of these homes are a little bit older. Looks like a few of them might be a little bit newer. The reason we mention this, it gives us an idea of what kind of sewer line material we should expect to see. Cast iron line to a concrete line is very typical for a 1950s home. You'll notice I have some water running. I have a hose turned on basically, and that gives us a pretty good indication as to how the pipe is functioning. Let's back up here for a second. Notice that there was some water there a moment ago, and now it seems to have left us here at 38 feet into the inspection. I can see water here, but if we go just a little bit further, looks like we've lost it all, so therefore that means it's draining into the ground someplace. It's probably a break right here on the bottom of the pipe at 38 feet into the inspection. Bit of that water is going beyond that point here. This is trickling past. We're going to mark out breakout in the street or the yard, wherever it is. Recommend that be repaired. Continuing on, looks like this portion of the line hasn't seen much water recently. It's pretty dry. And just a couple more feet here. And what we're looking at right here at 54 feet is the city main. So it looks like we have a break in the line back at 38 feet that's allowing most of that water to drain into the soil. We're going to point that out. I'm going to mark it in the yard. I imagine that's in the yard actually. And we'll recommend that be repaired. Other than that, the line looks pretty good. So we'll go ahead and close out the video now. I'll make recommendations in the written report. Thank you very much.